Hi guys, welcome back to Savvy Trend TV. Today we are diving into the future with 5 online skills to learn in 2024. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is the key. But before we dive in, do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified of my new video. As number 1, we have a powerhouse skill that has been making waves in the online world, which is affiliate marketing. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding the ins and outs of affiliate marketing can open a new revenue streams. From promoting products to earning commissions, it's a game changer in the digital space. Now let's talk about number 2, copywriting. In a world saturated with content, the ability to craft compelling and persuasive messages is unavailable. Copywriting is not just about words. It's about connecting with your audience and driving action. Master these skills and you will be able to create content that not only engages but converts. Coming in at number 3, I have digital marketing. These umbrella skills cover a range of tactics including SEO, SCM, and analytics. With the digital landscape evolving constantly, having a solid understanding of digital marketing is crucial for anyone looking to make an impact online. Get ready to navigate the ever-changing algorithms and trends. Skill number 4 is content marketing. In a world where content is king, mastering the art of creating and distributing valuable content can set you apart from blog posts to videos, podcasts, and social media content. A strong content marketing strategy is the foundation of a successful online presence. And last but certainly not least, skill number 5, social media management. With billions of users across various platforms, being a savvy social media manager is a must. Learn the ropes of scheduling, engagement, and analytics to not only grow your own brand but also help others amplify their online presence. So there you have it guys, 5 online skills to learn in 2024. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, investing in these skills will give you the edge in the digital landscape. Remember, the online world is ever changing, so stay curious and keep learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe for more trends. Leave a comment down below letting us know which skill you are most excited to master. Until next time, stay updated.